welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about these awesome earbuds that I have in my ear. These are the MoriPods earbuds by a company called Hailu, and they make really high quality wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These are no exception. They do come with a charging case, and you can see this case is this sort of deep grayish blue color, and it has this nice matte finish. Then on the inside, certain parts of it have a glossy finish, where the other parts of it have a matte finish. And the earbuds are the same. They're that deep grayish blue color, really cool color, and then certain parts of them have the glossy finish, and certain parts of them have the matte finish. So really nicely designed, high style design on these MoriPods. And they work great. They have all the features that you would expect in high-end earbuds. They have touch control, so you just tap on the outside here to control them. You control different features with 1 tap, 2 taps, or 3 taps. 1 tap is like play or pause or answering a call. 2 taps will go to next track if it's on the right, or previous track if it's on your left ear. So that's cool. You can fully control that. Triple tap on either one of these earbuds will call up your voice assistant. And that will work with either Google Assistant or Siri if you're on an iPhone. And what's awesome is each of these buds have 2 microphones. They have a microphone here on the top and then a microphone here on the end. So they pick up your voice very well and very clearly. So no issues at all using them with the voice assistant. Also work really well on phone calls. I've held phone calls on these while I'm out walking my dog. And the person on the other end did not actually know I was using Bluetooth earbuds, which isn't always the case with every pair of wireless Bluetooth earbuds. But with these, my voice came through clearly. I could also hear them clearly. And speaking of that, sound quality. The sound quality on these is really, really excellent. Again, what you would expect from well-made earbuds. The bass is decent for earbuds. I mean, you're never going to get like the same kind of bass from earbuds that you would get from a home theater surround sound system. But if they're made right, if they have high quality components inside of them, you're going to get rich sound. And with these, I feel like I got really rich sound, whether I'm listening to an audiobook where it's just someone's voice, or I'm listening to music where you've got, different instruments and you've got bass lines and stuff. All those sounds come through great. Really, really, really well made. As far as shape and design, take this one out of my ear. Of course, you're going to see close-ups of this, but you can see this has a very similar design to the original AirPods, just that little round bud that goes in your ear. But I found that it goes in my ear really easily and stays in my ear well. This is the first pair of earbuds I have had that have that exact design. Most of the ones I have that rubber tip that kind of goes down in your ear. But they worked really well. They stayed in my ears without any issues while I'm out walking my dog and walking around. Anytime you're using touch controls on earbuds, sometimes, if you're me anyway, maybe other people are great at it, but sometimes I'm trying to tap it and I don't tap the right place. I'm tapping my ear or whatever. But once you find the earbud, get your hand in the right place, and tapping them is very easy to control things. And I find the touch controls to be very responsive. Even that triple tap to call up the voice assistant, you just tap, 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 and it works really great. No problems at all. Once I got used to using them, they work great. The time-wise, from a charge on these, you get about 5 hours of talk time. Going to be 4 to 5 hours. 5 hours would be optimal. And if you run out of juice, you can throw them into this guy, and you can recharge them 3 to 4 times from this. So if everything is fully charged, then you're going to get 4 to 5 hours of talk time on these to begin with, and then you can recharge them 3 or 4 times with the charging case. The charging case does use a Type-C charger. It does come with the cord in the box. It does not come with a charger, so you plug it into your computer or to a charger you have to charge them, but it is Type-C charging. There is no wireless charging on these, but you plug them up to a Type-C cord, and within a few hours, it'll be fully charged and ready to go. Again, just really excellent earbuds, high quality. I think they work great. I especially think they look great. A lot of times you'll get earbuds from a company that maybe you haven't heard of before, and they sound good, but they look like cheap earbuds. They look like off-brand earbuds. Not these. These from Halo are really high style, really cool design. They look great, they sound great, and they work great. So definitely, if you're in the market for earbuds, this is a product that I would recommend. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.